Did you know that there are now AIs that pay you for simple tasks? Yes, sitting at home with your mobile or laptop. Don't skip the video, because the AI at the end really works. There are currently many AI-based platforms where you can do small tasks, such as checking data, reviewing images or text, helping AI train, simple surveys or tasks. For doing these tasks, AI gives you dollars or money. Some popular examples: remote tasks, Click Worker, Micro Workers, Toloka AI, no coding required. Just knowing basic English is enough. Work without freelancing experience. Unearn income according to your own time. Perfect for students and beginners. Call to action, 60-70 seconds. If you want the names and working tutorials of these AI sites, then like now and subscribe to the channel. Start smart income from home. Works with AI!